ever wandered through a bustling food market and caught a whiff of something rich, savory, and just a little mysterious? Let me let you in on a secret. Cooked beef feet is one of those hidden gems in traditional cooking that's surprisingly easy to make at home, and oh so nourishing. Now I know what you're thinking, beef feet? Really? But trust me, in kitchens across Africa, Asia, and the Middle East, this dish is a comfort food staple. It's slow cooked until the meat turns meltingly soft and the broth is packed with deep soul-hugging flavor. Plus, it's loaded with natural collagen. Your skin and joints will thank you. So, if you're in the mood for something hearty and a little adventurous, let's get cooking. You'll need 2 clean beef feet chopped up, a big onion, 5 cloves of garlic, a thumb of fresh ginger, a couple of bay leaves, turmeric, black pepper, paprika, and salt. If you like, throw in a spoonful of tomato paste. And of course, olive oil or ghee, water, fresh herbs, and lemon wedges for serving. First things first, clean those beef feet well. Hot water, a bit of scraping, and you're good. In a large pot, heat your oil or ghee. Toss in the chopped onion and let it cook till golden and fragrant. Now, add the garlic, ginger, and all those beautiful spices. Stir them around and let your kitchen fill up with the warmest aroma. Once everything's fragrant, add your beef feet pieces. Let them brown just a little, about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in your tomato paste if you're using it, mix well, and pour in enough water to cover everything. Drop in your bay leaves, cover the pot, and bring it all to a gentle simmer. Now, this is where the magic happens. Let it simmer slowly on low heat for 3 to 4 hours. Don't rush it. Every so often, check the pot and top up with water if you need to. When the meat is soft and gelatinous, trust me, you'll know it's ready. Taste and adjust your seasoning, then sprinkle with a handful of fresh parsley or coriander. Serve it piping hot with bread, fluffy rice, or semolina porridge. And don't forget a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten it all up. This dish isn't just dinner. It's a warm hug from the past, a nod to the recipes that have nourished generations. So next time you're craving something soulful, give beef feet a try. You might just discover your new favorite comfort food. Happy cooking, and let me know how it goes in the comments.